Yep, but first, Chief Meteorologist Anthony Peoples, local weather first, talking snow.
That's right, Dan. We had a little bit in and around the Duluth area, but to the north of us, up along the North Shore, heavy snow fell today. The good news is it's starting to wind down, but the bad news is around Grand Marais, you're going to be digging out from almost a foot of snow that has fallen today. A lot of heavy snow from two harbors up to Silver Bay and Grand Marais, but it is coming to an end. And you can see here across northwest Wisconsin, you may have had a little bit of snow earlier, but even the rain coming to an end right now. Look at some of these impressive totals so far today. Almost a foot of snow in Grand Marais and in Finland. Silver Bay over 5 inches, almost 5 inches in Two Harbor. Now this Duluth total was from mid-morning today. We haven't gotten an update since then, but at that point it was only about a half inch or so at the airport. But you can see feast or famine here on the snow. But we did expect the heaviest snow along the North Shore, just not a foot of it. 36 degrees, our current temperature, northeast winds 6 miles per hour. Other temperatures, this is the reason why we saw that heavy snow along the North Shore and not across the rest of the area. Siren at 46 right now, Hayward at 42, so it was all rain there. Mid-30s now around the Twin Ports. Earlier, we had temperatures in the low to mid-30s. That's where we're at right now, low 30s up around the Arrowhead. And these temperatures down 10 to 20 degrees from yesterday. The winds added in, giving us a few wind gusts to around 20-25 miles per hour. Wind chills in the teens and 20s up there where the heavy snow is falling right now. So a very wintry day across the Arrowhead instead of spring-like like we're seeing down around Siren. And we're not done with the snow just yet. Tonight, yes, it is winding down and we'll be moving out of here. The only downside tonight is we're going to be dealing with reduced visibilities from fog, and with temperatures dropping to near freezing, there could be some slick spots tomorrow morning because keep in mind, fog is basically moisture or a cloud touching the ground. So in the areas that didn't pick up the snow, you can still have some slick spots early tomorrow morning. As we go through the day tomorrow, we will see the next system start to spread rain into the area. This takes us up to 9:30 tomorrow night when temperatures should still be warm enough for rain. But watch what happens tomorrow night. Another round of moderate snow is possible across the Northland over the same areas that picked up the moderate to heavy snow today. So you may be adding several more inches as we head into tomorrow night and early on Wednesday. Then it starts to wind down. Upper 20s to near 30 tonight, snow ending, and then we'll see some fog and freezing fog late. Tomorrow, fog early in the morning, rain by afternoon or evening, highs in the low 40s. That transitions over to a wintry mix or snow tomorrow night, and we could be dealing with more accumulation then. That comes to an end Wednesday afternoon for a brief period. Then more comes in Wednesday night into Thursday. It could be snow at night, rain during the day. And then the parade just keeps coming. We have another one for Friday night into early Saturday and another one Saturday night into Sunday. But the good news, by the weekend, temperatures will be up into the 50s, yet overnight as we drop back to near freezing, that's when we could see the snow. So even though we're now into spring and almost into May, winter hanging on across the Northland. That's your local weather first.